My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I'd like to share with you an excerpt from one of the sessions I did that talks about choices and how powerful they are in our life. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
How can you tell the difference between the place you're supposed to go and the thing you're doing instead of the place you're...
How does it feel? How does it feel? Who says you're supposed to do anything? There is no right. There is no perfect thing. There's choice. And as you move through life, you make choices, and each choice moves you. Like you learn stuff. You become through that. And if you've made a choice, it means that in that choosing, there was something so important that you chose it. And it means that you will learn that thing that you need to learn, even if it takes you somewhere you don't want to go. It wasn't a wrong choice. It was a choice. And that choice has power because it's an opportunity. It's a way to learn. It's a way to grow. It's a way to become what you need to be. And then what you do is you move through life a little farther, and there's another choice. And the question is not, is this a good choice? Is it a bad choice? Is it the right choice? Is it like, how do I know? That's not the issue. The issue is, how does it feel? What is there in this for me to learn? If the choice is there, and if I make that choice, then there's something there for me to learn in it. Because if I didn't make that choice, I would make this choice. Do you understand that? Because choice is not something that is random. Choice is choice. Do you understand what I mean by that? Choice is choice because if you choose it, there's something in it that attracts you, that draws you, that feels right to you, that feels like this is the direction I need to go. This is something I have to learn. And you step into it. It's not random. We think it's random. The illusion is that it's random. Never random. It's choice. It's purposeful. Purposefulness and choice are the same thing. That's because if it presents itself and you choose not to go there, then that's
the right choice.
You've never made the wrong choice, and that's what is so confusing for people. The thing is so simple. It is so simple, and it befuddled us because we're fearful. We think there's a right choice. That's the illusion. Is that we learn that there's right choice and wrong choice. We learn that if we make this choice, everything's going to be perfect, and if we make this choice, everything's not. That's what we learned, okay? Yeah. But the truth is, you could make this perfect choice, easy choice, and it could take you to such a wrong place for you that you achieve nothing, you become nothing, you're okay, but you're not all you can be. You're stuck. And the way you unstick yourself is to say, what am I afraid of? What are you afraid of? That's the question. What am I afraid of? What am I afraid of? The truth is that life is diverse. That's what makes us rich. We're enriched by it all. Nothing. It's not greedy to be challenged and interested in living. There's nothing greedy about that at all. You love life. That's okay. That's fair. But what you have to understand is that we can only do one thing at a time. You judge yourself by other people's perception. Doesn't work. Because I guess what I'm saying to you, and I'll bring it into focus a bit, but what I'm saying to you is that what you need to do is, and we don't need it to be grand or complicated or anything, but we need you to simply say to yourself, what is it in this moment that will make me happy? What is it in this moment that I would like to do? Do I want to go for a walk? Or do I want to have a nap? Or do I want to work? And whatever it is, I recognize that I'm choosing it. And that is an absolute choice. I'm not being forced into it. I'm not being made to do it. I don't have to do it. Someone may be upset. Someone may not be upset. Someone may be happy. None of that matters. What matters is, how do I feel in this moment? And I don't mean, I need to be selfish and stuff, but at the same time, is doing something that makes you joyful selfish? I don't think so. And there's nothing you're doing that hurts anybody. It's just that you have to stop feeling that it's your responsibility to keep everyone else happy. Like your daughter chooses to be happy. Or not. Everyone in your life makes those choices. And the important thing to recognize is that you're making those choices too, which gives you all of the power. There's nothing that I can tell you that's going to change your life more than what you do will change your life. Do you understand? I mean, that's what I can tell you that will work, because every choice you make, if you're listening and you're paying attention, it'll fine-tune you to where you need to go. You're not making bad choices. You're making choices. And the choices fill you, inform you, help you become more aware. You grow through it. Choices, powerful thing, lovely thing, a beautiful thing, really. I mean, what's more beautiful? I mean, look around you. Like, you have this amazing life. You have people in it who love you, and you're overwhelmed because you can't do everything you want to do for everybody. So don't beat yourself up. Do what you can. But also, most important, you have to be your own advocate. You have to look after you. You can't be running around fixing everyone else and at the same time ignoring the most important person in your life and the person whom you have the most control over, which is you. Do you know, like, you are central choice. And because what happens when you understand, and it's easier sometimes that way, because then if things don't go well, then we don't have to take it on. It was their fault. It's pretty easy to do that, but it doesn't work. Like, that's the killer. It absolutely doesn't work, because at the end of the day, we know that we chose that, and it was brought to us for a reason. It's understanding that life is purposeful. Choice means something, that we're moving in a way that's going to change us. Like, you're changing. Every day you change. And today you need to choose to change in a way that allows you to become something you haven't chosen before, which is free, which is happy, which is unencumbered, which is healthy.